Hi, and welcome back to Chris Does Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to highlight 3 altcoins valued under 5 cent that I think have tremendous value and huge potential for price gains in this bull market. This is my personal opinion, not paid endorsed. And look, I'm going to cover off the 3 altcoins and why I believe what I believe. Let's go. So we're going to start here, and we've got 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘 2.0, shaping the blockchain of the future. And look, I want to level with people. I've not always been happy about what's happened with 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘. Amrit, the founder, was voted out of the company and all that sort of stuff. It is kind of just not really sat very well with me. And then obviously you had the metaverse play when metaverse was all the rage, and I think mistakes have been made, and I think 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘 will probably sit and reflect and probably agree with me on this, right? Like maybe things didn't go like the way that they thought it would. Perhaps things weren't done in the right way, and look, I don't think there's any harm in saying that. Now look, are these altcoins all, because I think the third one on this list is an exception to this, but are all these altcoins going to set the blockchain, space on fire and, do something phenomenal and something unheard of? Probably not at this price point, right? Like they're probably just not. They're probably not the very pinnacle of what's out there. But at these prices that they're currently at, they have huge potential to rise in value. I think they're massively undervalued for the propositions that they offer, and that is why they're in this list. And the first one on this list is 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘. And again, I don't think it's the best blockchain in the space, but it is good, right? It's great tech, and it's just really about how it's going to position itself and how it's going to market itself, right, for the bull market. And it's got a lot to offer, and because of that, it's in the list, right? And staking rewards are still really good on 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘. Actually, go check that out. But 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘, it's up 6.36% at the time of recording. Again, I'm not suggesting this is going to be the cheapest price you can buy this altcoin at. It's at 0.01359. Again, I just think it just is exceptionally value right now for anybody looking to purchase 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘. I think it's a great price, but maybe not the cheapest price. I expect the Fed pivot to happen in September. I expect further downside. But with that said, I think we've got I think we're very, very close to the bull market kicking off, right? Like the proper bull market. None of this nonsense that everyone was saying was a bull market that wasn't. It was just a rally into a Fed pivot, which I told you for the last 19 months is what it was and what was going to happen. 19 months ago, I was calling September Fed pivot, crash in stocks and crypto, right? We've had the crash in stocks. We've had the crash in crypto. I don't think that's over. The Fed pivot's going to happen September. So, really excited about that. Another correct prediction. But like I say, you've got to follow the right people in this space. But this is my honest opinion on what's providing us exceptional value right now in the market, right? And all cards on the table, right? So let's move on. Second altcoin, we got Harmony1. Again, a favorite of ours. We've got the cheeky one pool you can stake and delegate and earn a passive income, from your Harmony1. Definitely worth doing that. Again, Harmony, had the massive hack, right? And I think it's kudos to how well they've handled that over time. And I think some changes in the team, and they're still working hard and plowing along. And I think that's a real positive. It says a lot about the team, and team is really, really important. And again, one really fast blockchain, this one, and one that I think is cheap enough to get people to invest in it, and will do really, really well. Even though I don't think it's the best blockchain out there. It's currently priced at 0.01137, up 7.72% at the time of recording. And again, I think that this is one that people definitely need to be taking a look at and doing some research on. I still hold my Harmony. I always have. I really do have faith in the team and the project, and what is truly possible for this bull run, I think, is exceptional. And then the third and the final one probably won't surprise many people. It is VeChain, Web3 for better. With everything deep in and everything that's going on in the blockchain space, I do think VeChain's going to do really, really well. Very well positioned when it comes to what it is that they're looking to do with carbon credits. That it fits really well with like the ethos of like all the investments that we like to make on this channel and Cheeky Crypto. We've been invested in VeChain for a very, very long time. Think it's going to do really well. Love the fact that they've got the partnerships with, the UFC and the tennis and all that sort of stuff. Again, just bringing eyeballs on blockchain, bringing eyeballs on real world problems that can be fixed through blockchain. So I think VeChain does a lot of good for the blockchain space, and I've got to invest in that shit. Like I just got to. I think they're a great team. I think there's great people behind this project. Very good people at what they do, not just generally good people, which is rare in itself. They're very good at what they do, and I think that this is a very, very strong project from the partnerships, the team, and the ethos of what they're looking to do in blockchain. I think it ticks all the boxes. It's an exception to what I was saying earlier in this video with like the other two projects. They're probably not the two best projects in the blockchain space. Like they're probably not the pinnacle of it, right? VeChain has the potential to be the pinnacle of blockchain, right, with everything that they're doing. And I think it's going to be really, really interesting this bull market to see what actually develops for VeChain and how it develops. So really excited about VeChain and what they're doing. It's currently at 2 cent 187, up 5.23% at the time of recording. And again, like I caveat that this might not be the best price that you can get VeChain at. We'll see how things happen in what happens in September, but a phenomenal project in itself. But let me know your thoughts and opinions. What free altcoins would you have picked for this video if you were making it? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.